Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to the folks on OneSpotMedia.com. The police in Clarendon have clamped down on several illegal activities in the capital, Maypen, in response to increasing violence, where 5 people were shot and injured this week. More from TVJ's Krista Campbell.
Maypen, Clarendon on Monday. On Friday, this is the police's response. The capital busier than usual, with police on operation to rid the town, in particular the market, of illegal activities. Head of Operations Superintendent David White says a lone gunman firing on innocent people in the bus park was the final straw for the police.
We would have conducted an operation in the town of Maypen today, looking at public order, public safety throughout the town. We focused mostly in the market area, where we carried out a number of operations in clearing the roadway within the market, and also to target illegal connection of water and also lighting within that market, and also to look at the public health problem that is giving us some serious problem inside that space.
5 people shot and injured in a bus park just across from the Maypen police station. Superintendent White says the police could not respond quickly enough because of the disorder that's been allowed to continue in the town.
There are some structures in the market based on the recent murder that would have hampered us as police officers to properly police the market throughout the day and night. Based on those structures, it is more set up like an inner city with zinc fences and dirty water flowing in and out of the market space. It hampered the vehicular traffic through the market, through the road area. Police is unable to get in and out, so we went inside here today to make sure that we would have put some structure and some order within that space.
So now a Maypen makeover. Superintendent White says it's the first phase of an ongoing cleanup across the parish.
We have intensified operations throughout the entire parish of Clarendon, and more so Maypen town, which is a sore eye for Clarendon, and we'll continue that operation throughout.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.